Hi guys, hi, welcome back with the second Sudoku Heavy we have here in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, July the 2nd, 2021. And I've told you earlier, there's in this newspaper sad news because we have again no extra Sudokus, no additional today. So I have decided to solve later in the evening the extra Sudokus of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, June the 29th. I will solve those three puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, and a tectonic. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number. Let me focus the puzzle. Yes, this will be number 3035. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Plus 4, 16, plus 3, 19, 20, 22, 24, plus 24, plus 3, 27. No, cannot be 27. Let me do this again. 2, 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 19, plus 5, 19, 24. Yeah, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star for 27 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 5 in this last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left in this column should be here for the number 2. All right. 5 missing numbers in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So what are those 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3, 6. We see here 3. Here 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. So the 6 is missing. And the 8. 6 and 8. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 9. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 1 in the last column, so in the column between. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. And I cannot continue with the 1. How about... How about... Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5. And the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6 are missing. That means one box left in this big square. 3, 4, 6. That digit, that box should be the number 3, 4 should be a should be a, come on, should be a the 3, 4, 6 should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so that column, the only place for the 7, yes, should be there. All right. 6, 8, 5, 8, 8. Okay. Bad day today. Yeah. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And we need an 8 there. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 8 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Look, we have a 5 and 8 in this row. First row, so no 8 and a 5 in this box. The 8 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 9. So we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. Here ain't no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Alright. Digit number 1, number 8. Yeah. How about the number 3, 2, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 6. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in the last row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for the number 2. 3, 4. Okay. So 3 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Right, now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 1. One box left in the last row for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Then. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 4 and 9. Okay, 9. Alright. Yeah. 4. Yeah. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2. 1 box left in the first row for the number 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright, so now 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 6 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 5 is missing. And look, we have a 6 and a 5 here in this column. So no 6 and a 5 in this box. The 6 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column, the middle column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 3 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Here also 2 and 7 in this row. 2 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6, we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Yes. Heavy, well, light, I think. Or a 1-star Sudoku, because a 1-star Sudoku I need to be faster than 15 minutes, and I've solved this in 40 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time. So is this really a heavy one? No, I don't think so. This is not a heavy one, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, Only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Heavy, playlist for the Sudoku Light. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Playlist for the killer Sudokus, tectonic for the binaries, for the quintuplets, for the ladder Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Friday, fantastic Friday. We will meet again later in the evening with the other 3 puzzles of Tuesday. Yes, of Tuesday. Otherwise, see you tomorrow. Have a great weekend, and we will meet again on Saturday. Bye bye for now.